Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your Greenlight card to Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Next, go to the Banking tab or your profile. Next, scroll down and tap Link Banks. Then, select Link Debit Card and enter your Greenlight card number, expiration date, and CVV. Follow any on-screen prompts to verify your card. You might get a small charge or code from Greenlight. Once verified, your Greenlight card will be ready to use with Cash App. And that's it. Adding your Greenlight card is quick and simple. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.